Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving deep into one of the most fascinating periods in human history, the Middle Ages. And we'll be exploring it through the story of the world, Volume 2, The Middle Ages by Susan Wise Bauer. So grab your sword, your scrolls, and maybe a shield because this journey spans 1,000 years of adventure, empire, and discovery. Our story begins with the fall of the Roman Empire. When Rome crumbled in 476 AD, the ancient world ended and Europe was thrown into chaos. But out of that chaos came new beginnings. Tribes like the Franks, Saxons, and Goths began building new kingdoms. This was the dawn of the Middle Ages, a time of castles, kings, and knights. While Europe was rebuilding, powerful empires were rising elsewhere. In the east, the Byzantine Empire kept Roman traditions alive. Farther south, in the deserts of Arabia, a new faith, Islam, began to spread rapidly under Prophet Muhammad and his followers. Within a century, Islamic scholars, scientists, and artists would create a golden age of learning that influenced the entire world. What was daily life like back then? If you were a peasant, you worked hard in the fields under the feudal system. Knights trained for war, monks copied ancient manuscripts by candlelight, and kings fought to expand their lands. But even amid hardship, creativity thrived, from Viking sagas to illuminated manuscripts and Gothic cathedrals that still amaze us today. The Middle Ages weren't just about Europe. In Asia, the Tang and Song dynasties brought incredible inventions like gunpowder, paper money, and the compass. In Africa, powerful kingdoms like Mali and Ghana traded gold and salt across the Sahara. And in the Americas, the Maya and Aztec civilizations were building magnificent cities and temples. It was a truly global story, something Susan Wise Bauer beautifully captures in this book. The Middle Ages were also a time of great faith and great conflict. From the Christian Crusades to the rise of powerful Islamic caliphates, religion shaped politics, art, and culture. Later, Europe faced the Black Death, a terrible plague that killed millions but also transformed society forever. By the end of the Middle Ages, explorers like Marco Polo and Zheng He were connecting continents through trade and travel. And in 1492, when Columbus set sail, the world entered a new age, the Renaissance. The Middle Ages had come to an end, paving the way for modern history. What makes the story of the world, Volume 2 so special is that it doesn't just list dates and battles. It tells history as a story, full of real people, adventures, and turning points that changed everything. Whether you are a student, a homeschooler, or just a history fan, this book makes the past come alive. So, that's the journey through the story of the world, the Middle Ages. 1,000 years of kings and queens, merchants and monks, explorers and dreamers. If you enjoyed this summary, hit that like button, subscribe for more history deep dives, and drop a comment below. Which part of the Middle Ages do you find most fascinating? Thanks for watching, and remember, history isn't just about the past, it's the story of us all.